Welcome to the world of animal instincts. Like any traditional playing cards, these stunning decks feature the familiar structure of kings, queens, jacks, and aces. But unlike regular poker decks, these decks spotlight a unique character portrait emblazoned upon all 56 cards. The four kingdoms of animal instincts are populated by a tapestry of citizens, including heroes, villains, maidens, warriors, scoundrels, pirates, and royalty. For gamblers, magicians, and poker players, we created two exquisite versions of this special card deck. The Wizard Edition features Sabrina the Wizard from the Ace of Hearts, while the back highlights an enigmatic bird from the Three of Spades, inspired by Leonardo da Vinci's famous painting, the Mona Lisa. The Minstrel Edition features the bright and mischievous musician from the Nine of Hearts, playing his lute, while the back frames the mighty lion from the King of Hearts, relaxed upon his throne. Whenever you visit the world of animal instincts, every shuffle will continually unfold as an enchanting tale of discovery and adventure.